Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your Subaru Forester side mirror. First, let's prepare for the task. You will need a few basic tools, including a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a trim removal tool, and a 10mm socket with a ratchet. Of course, you'll also need your new replacement mirror assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked and the engine is off before starting any work. Now, let's access the mirror's mounting points. Begin by locating and removing the 2 or 3 screws that hold the door panel in place. These are often hidden behind small covers or in the door pull. Next, use a plastic trim removal tool to gently pry the door panel away from the door frame, releasing the clips. Once loose, carefully disconnect all electrical connectors for components like window switches. With the door panel removed, you can now replace the mirror. First, unplug the electrical connector that powers your old side mirror. Then, using a 10mm socket, remove the 3 nuts or bolts that secure the mirror assembly to the door frame. Once these are out, carefully slide the old mirror away from the vehicle. Now, feed the wiring of your new mirror through the opening and secure it with the 3 nuts or bolts. To complete the installation, reconnect the electrical harness to your new side mirror. Then, reattach all electrical connectors to the door panel, ensuring everything is properly plugged in. Carefully align the door panel with the door frame and firmly press it into place until all the clips snap securely. Reinstall the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Finally, test your new mirror's adjustment and any other electronic functions to confirm it works perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.